Friends, welcome back to these videos. In these videos, we will discuss about Nokia E10 Pro 2024 space price, release date, news. Today we are going to share with the new upcoming smartphones of the Nokia brand whose name is Nokia E10 Pro 2024. Those who use mobile phones in life, that person must be known that Nokia is the most popular and favorite company in the world, and also known that Nokia is Finland multinational telecommunications, information technology and consumer electronics company founded in 18th century. Every year, the Nokia company provides many big flagship mobile, middle class phones and low budget, high performance phones. So customers are waiting for the new smartphones of the Nokia brand. That's why we are talking about a new upcoming smartphone of the Nokia brand which is called Nokia E10 Pro 2024. Below we will share Nokia upcoming smartphone E10 Pro 2024 price, space, release date. We are trying to serially describe the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 release date, full specifications and price. So stay with us and continue watching these videos. So let's get started. Hi friends, first of all we have to discuss Nokia E10 Pro 2024 release date. After knowing the viral news of a Nokia flagship smartphones, every person who loves the Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date on the Nokia E10 Pro 2024. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for these smartphones. The accepted release date of the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 is 10th December 2024, or it may be late to release for features update or company issues. Now we have to discuss Nokia E10 Pro 2024 full specifications. First we are talking about displays. The Nokia upcoming smartphone E10 Pro 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touch screens display which is protected by Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 mobile lovers. This mobile used to display resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After we briefly describe the display, we are now going to share another very important part of this special phone whose name is camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a wide 144 megapixels primary lens, 32 megapixels ultra wide lens, 16 megapixels wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensors as the back cameras. For selfie it has a 32 megapixels camera. Regular camera features like ZS optic, LED flash, Pronma and HDR added. Now you can easily pick up pictures or selfie by using front cameras. Now we have to discuss the battery. The battery is very important part of a good smartphone. So the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 used a 6600 mAh lithium type non-removable battery for its long-time services. After charging one time, you don't need charge for at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So this smartphone includes 65-watt quick battery charging features. Now we have to discuss on the operating system sections. This smartphone added Android 14, the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Plus with 5G mobile platform make this smartphone very fast. This Nokia smartphone use GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of good smartphone. So Nokia upcoming mobile use the list. Latest sensor technology, and their name is fingerprint under display. Now we have to discuss the price. Nokia E10 Pro 2024 price. The official Nokia E10 Pro 2024 price is not available for this upcoming smartphone. In this videos you will find the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 price in India, USA, UK, Australia, UAE, KSA, Singapore, Malaysia, Russia and a Europe country infos. The Nokia E10 Pro 2024 price will be started from 390 USDT to 405 euros. I hope you have completely understand the price, release date, specifications, battery timings and cameras. Thanks for staying with us a long time, visiting the Nokia E10 Pro 2024 price, space, feature, design concept, removers, reviews, pre-orders, buy online, release date and news content. If you have any kind of questions, do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.